Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Skill Builder. In this session we are going to learn style sheet. This is one of the important component of React Native. So what is the use of this style sheet? It will create and organize the component style. For example, earlier we have used a inline style in that particular component like style, margin top, font size, padding, background color, text color, font weight, like that. So these all these styles we can combine in this style sheet component. So for that, as it's the React Native basic component, we will import this from React Native. So we'll see by looking at the creating one example. So style sheet demo.js. Okay, so we'll import React from React, and then import style sheet style sheet. This one React Native. We'll design one form, and then we can use the style sheet. So for that we will use view text input. Also we need text input, and then we need one touchable opacity. Okay, touchable opacity, and then touchable opacity. Okay, for now this is sufficient. Okay, so let's create const, and then what is the style sheet? Yes, style sheet demo. Okay, return some view. Okay, so this is the okay. So now how to create, we already imported the style sheet from React Native. Now how to create a style sheet? For that we have syntax like this: const styles. You can give any name here, like app style equal to style sheet dot create, and this is the function. Inside that multiple style sheet will be there. So now how to create, this is the syntax to create a style sheet object. So here you can give like main container. Okay, and then you can say, so earlier what we were doing is we were doing style here like flex 1, flex direction column, align atoms center. Okay, so first we'll try to design the screen. So we'll take text input from React Native. So we'll say this like, okay, text input, placeholder is one of the attribute we already have seen earlier example. Placeholder, enter your name, and then max length. It will decide how much maximum length will be. Here we can say 30 character, and then on change text is one of the method. Here you can use on text input value changed Okay, here we'll pass. We have to store this text input value in some variable, so we'll take state variable name comma set name, and then use state. Later we'll see what is used state and all. So by default it will be empty. Okay, so value will be, value attribute will be, so this will be the name. Okay, so max length and all, and max length we are on text change here, name, sorry, name. Okay. And then we'll take text here style we will give, for example font size is 16, font weight 600, and font color we will give as our favorite color is orange. Okay, and then export default, export default. What is our component name is this one. So let's import and access in index.js file. So import here from src slash style sheet demo. Just paste this component here. So let's try to run now. So command is npx react native run android. Okay, what is the error? Ended string but class component. Okay, let's see what is the issue. Export on text value change. Okay, we have set like here. We need to declare this define change changed. Okay, so here const this function name, and here the name, and then so set name, here name we can set. So whenever we'll change any value in text input, then it will reflect here. Okay, what is happening? Okay, from direction column center align, and this text input. Let's try to run again. Too many renders, number of renders to prevent infinite loop. So what is happening here? Text input on name change, name is there, set name, and then this is the text value, and what is the text here? We are going to, will display the name here. Okay, set name on text change, value change, set name. Okay, okay, So instead of writing this function, we can set directly text. So you can say like here you can first like text to set, and then you can set the text here, and let's see now. Yeah, so let's try to enter something. Okay, so whatever we are entering here, it's reflecting in this text. Okay, so we'll decorate this style sheet text input in such a way that it will look like good. So first of all, we will use the padding, maybe 20 pixel, and then border color, maybe we will use orange, and then border radius is 15 pixel. Let's see how it will look. Okay, border color is that, padding is 20. Okay, border width also it's needed, and you can say like 1 pixel. Let's see how it will look like. We can also give the main layout margin top is 55 pixel. Okay, now it's look like this. Okay, so name is also there. Here also we can say margin top, sorry, margin top is 20 pixel. Okay. Okay, we will also have one button. For that we will customize our button by using touchable opacity. We'll have the touchable opacity inside that. We can take one text saying submit. Okay, submit button. So here on press is method, then on submit button clicked. So here this function will define here below this cost. Okay, so what action we need to do on click up button? Here we'll check. Okay, so name dot length is equal to 0, then we show the alert. So alert also we can import from the React Native. So here we say please enter your name and return. Okay, if suppose this condition set is not equal to 0, then what it will say, it will display alert saying that your name is entered, name is. Okay, here you can put your name. Okay, so this function submit button is already done. So like what we have done styling here, the same styling we will do here for the touchable opacity. And then what is the color padding? Okay, so touchable with the background color. So radius color also we have given, and we will give the background color is also there. Okay, so this also orange, and so we'll look into design. So adding text input, and then Let's wrap all these in one view. Okay, good. So button text is displaying in middle. So style we can do align self is there, and we can see center. Okay, and then font size maybe 18 pixel, and then font weight is 600. Okay, and text color will be white. Okay, so padding 20 pixel is getting margin top, align item center, flex direction, column. Okay, so we'll remove, sorry, from here we cannot remove. Here we are removing, and then we can give border radius, and max length is 30. And here width here 100%. Auto is not okay, it's not anything. 100%. Okay, but still there is no change. So style flex 1. Okay, text input and all. So enter your name. My name is take skill builder. Okay, and submit. Also the same thing, it will display. Okay, so border radius, max length 30. Here we can say so for this view we can give like width 100% and see the output now. Okay, now after 100% we'll give padding to maybe 20 pixel. So now again it's look like good, and here margin top is at 20 pixel. Okay, this text skill builder we want in center. So for that what we need to do is we need to say align self is center. Okay, so now what we have done here is we have given inline styles. Okay, but as we have the style sheet component in React Native. Okay, so that we can structured properly. Okay, so how to structure is we have created the style sheet object like app style, and in that main container, for example this is our main container, then get all those style from here, control C, and just paste here. So okay, so flex direction, okay, all those. Okay, this is the main container. Now what we need to do is instead of this, simply we need to say app style dot main container. See, it deflected automatically. And then another we have sub container. Okay, sub container. In this object, what are there? Only flex 1 and this 3 parameter. Just add this parameter here. And how to do this now? App style, I mean style sheet object dot this container styles. Okay, likewise we will do for input box style. Okay, input box style. Okay, input box style. Here in this object, what are the different things are there? Padding, all this will get Control X and then put here in this. Okay, so padding, border color, border radius, and the border width. How to use this? Again, go here, remove this. Okay, app style dot this container. Okay, and likewise this text, what is this? Name style. Okay, label style. Okay, here you can paste all this. So remove this. Instead of this, go to app style, our style sheet object dot label style. Okay, and save it. Yeah, it's one. And then we have this touchable opacity. Okay, we can say is button style. Okay, button style, button style, and here just put all those what we have written there. Padding, border radius, border width, orange, and border. Okay, and then we already know how to access that. Okay. Okay, so app style, and then this is button style. Okay, and then what is this? Submit button text. Submit button text. Okay, submit button text, we can say button label style. Okay, here you can paste, and then change here app style dot button label style. Okay, so I'm giving this example, like first I have written the inline CSS for all the components, and then we have created the style sheet object, and then we have specified different containers and their particular styles. So we have seen the what is the use of, we can write inline CSS also, right? And output was the same, but what is the benefit of this? Okay, so it will organize the code properly. For example, now I have to change something here, and that style is applicable for multiple components. Then it is very useful, just go to that particular style sheet object and change. For example, now I want to change something here, font size is 22, label, so it's increased. Okay, so it's very organized. Your styles will separate from the logic for better code structure. Okay, and we have created the style sheet object by using StyleSheet.create are optimized, and it will cache automatically internal. Okay, so again, uses reusability. For example, this particular container having same styles. Okay, then you can use the main container. For example, if suppose we'll do here. Okay, and if suppose we same style we want, then that time you can go for that particular style object. Okay, it will avoid messy inline styles and improves the readability. Okay, it helps is also helps to manage the styles based on the screen sizes or platform specific code. For example, there are this React Native supports for the both the platform, right? Both the mobile platform, Android and iOS. And if suppose we want to write platform specific code, for example, for Android different and iOS different, that this stylings is very style sheets is very useful in such scenario. So look wise is also good, your code organized properly, and it can maintain properly. So let's continue it. Okay, let's try to enter something. Hello world. Okay, it's reflecting hill. Hello, it's sorry, hello world. Okay, on submit displaying the alert box. So here we have seen view, text input, touchable opacity, and text. And again, now we have learned the style sheet. So style sheets is very important, one of the important component in React Native that will help to organize properly for your styles. I hope you like this video and this uses of style sheet. Uh, so if you like this, just like this video, share share this video to your friends, and subscribe this channel if suppose you are new to this channel to get more such interesting videos. Thank you.